What is TPD student loan discharge? Imagine facing a serious health issue that makes working impossible. Now, think about how overwhelming student loans can feel when you're dealing with that. TPD student loan discharge might be the relief you need. This process cancels federal student loans for people who are totally and permanently disabled. If a physical or mental condition keeps you from working now and in the future, you could qualify to have your loans forgiven. To be eligible, you need to prove that your disability prevents you from doing any substantial work. This disability must last at least 5 years or lead to death. The discharge covers many types of federal loans, including federal family education loans, direct loans, Perkins loans, plus loans for parents, and teach grant service obligations. There are 3 main ways to qualify. First, you can get certification from the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs showing a 100% service-connected disability or unemployability. Second, you can submit proof from the Social Security Administration that you receive Social Security disability insurance or supplemental security income, with a review period extending several years. Third, a licensed medical professional like a doctor or psychologist can certify that your disability makes it impossible for you to work. Applying for TPD discharge is straightforward. You can do it online through the Federal Student Aid website or by mailing in a paper application. You will need to include documentation from one of the approved sources. Once your application is approved, your federal student loans will be canceled, and you will no longer have to make payments. After your loans are discharged, you should be aware that you might need to meet certain conditions. For example, if you earn above a specific income level during the 3 years after discharge, your loans could be reinstated. You will need to submit annual income documentation to stay in good standing. If your disability makes it hard to pay back your loans, there are other options like deferment or forbearance that can temporarily pause or reduce your payments. These options can help manage your finances while you deal with your health issues. Understanding how TPD student loan discharge works can be a real help if you're facing a serious disability. It involves gathering the right documents, following the correct steps, and knowing your rights. This process can provide much-needed relief from student debt when working is no longer possible.